Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to sell in PLS Donate Mobile, then this is the right video for you. First, open your browser and then go to roblox.com. From here, you'll see this screen. Tap on Continue in Browser. Once you're in, tap on the three dots on the top right and select Desktop Site. Now, tap on Create. From here, tap on the three dots on the image you want. Then, tap on Create Badge. Now, select Cancel. After that, go to Passes. Now, select the pass you want or create a new one. Then, go to Menu on the top left. Select Sales. Now, just put in the amount that you want. After it's done, tap on Save Changes. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.